Helpful animals. Here are some animals that you might find on a farm. Chicken, duck, cow, goat, sheep, pig. All of these animals are helpful because they give us things that we need. Do you eat eggs for breakfast? We get eggs from chickens and ducks. Chickens and ducks lay eggs every day. Eggs are also in lots of things that we eat every day. Do you like to drink milk? We get milk from cows and goats. Farmers wake up very early in the morning to milk their cows and goats every day. Cheese, butter, and cream are all made from milk. Do you like to eat steak, lamb chops, chicken nuggets, ham, and bacon? All of these types of meat come from animals too. Pigs give us bacon, ham, and pork. Cows and sheep give us steak and chops. Chickens also give us meat for nuggets and schnitzels, but the best is barbecued. When a sheep gets a haircut, we use their wool to make warm jumpers, socks, and blankets. Next time you visit a farm, don't forget to say thank you to all of the helpful animals.